Hey, so this is Zipporah, and this is a video on writing process notes. Um, the idea behind asking you all to have your writing process notes written into your papers is sort of twofold. I guess the first is to be thinking about the process and reflecting on it as you write, um, so that we have a record of um, what's going well, what's not, and it's coming from you. And the second part is related to that in that you are giving your writing material to a few peers for workshop and also to me. And because we never meet in person, we don't get to talk as much about your writing one on one. This is a way that you can sort of give some presence to what happened to you while you were writing and to ask questions both to me and to your fellow writers. So, really think of this as an opportunity to analyze your writing as you go or after, and to really communicate with those who will be writing or reviewing your work. So at the top of the writing process notes, you should have a little author's note that talks about the two top strengths that you feel that you have in your writing, and two top areas where you'd like some additional resources or support or feedback from your peers and from me. This just gives me a way to divide you into peer groups that are kind of working on similar issues, and it also lets me know what you're struggling with and what's going well. Now, the way that you do the writing process notes is just to write in between every paragraph or every two paragraphs a little bit about your process. So, for example, Katie didn't have a title and said, you know what, I know I need a title, I'm just not really sure how to write one that I like. And so I was able to give her some feedback on creating a cool title. And it helped me to know that she was aware of the issue and that she just needed a little support. As we scroll down, she talks about what she feels going well, and this gives me a good sense of where she's feeling confident. And then she's also talking about some pieces of the writing that she feels are not working out, and that gives me another opportunity to bring in some resources and to bring in some feedback. And that continues between every paragraph. She only writes a couple of sentences, and it's informal. She said that she feels like she's writing from third grade, and this also gives us a chance to have a personal interaction with the writing. Again, since we don't meet face to face, it's a nice time to just say, at this point in the paper, I just started to completely lose it. That's okay. This is what the writing process notes are for. Again, she's posing questions, which I think is great. This will really help your peers and me to give you some specific feedback. And then at the end, she talks about how she thinks she did overall, and she looks at the the rubric for written communication, and fills it out for herself, and then submits her paper. So I hope that this helps let you know what it is and how to do it and why.